Hi, in this video I will show you how to keep lettuce fresh and crisp for up to 4 weeks in your fridge. I am going to cut lettuce, as usual for salads. The rupture parts usually turns brown, then your lettuce will dry out. Get a paper towel and spray it with water until it is moist. As lettuce leaves need some level of humidity to keep them fresh and crisp. Then, place the paper towel on the rupture parts of the lettuce. And place lettuce inside storage bag. Close the storage bag, and there's no need to take air out of the bag. If you find this video helpful, click the like button, and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing similar steps for this type of lettuce. I will cut down the lettuce, as I usually do for daily usage. So, the idea here is to create a moisture environment inside the storage bag, and blocking the fridge air circulation from going inside the bag to prevent it from drying out the green leaves. Store storage bags anywhere in your fridge, away from the rear interior wall of the fridge. This trick will keep your lettuce fresh for up to 4 weeks. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and share this video with your friends.